So today I'll be showing you the different ways you can turn off or switch off your Galaxy Z Flip 7. So the first way to do it is to press and hold the power and volume down buttons. So press and hold these two buttons simultaneously, and it has to be simultaneous. So volume down and power, press and hold. And if you hold them for like 5 seconds, you will see the power menu. And from here, you can tap on power off and then tap on it again to turn off your phone. Alternatively, you can swipe down from the top right corner and then you will see the power button here. It's a touch button, so just tap on it. That brings up the power menu. Once again, you can tap on power off and confirm by tapping on power off again. Now, if you have the phone folded or flipped, then what was the volume up now becomes volume down. So if you want to turn it off from here, all you have to do is press and hold power and volume down. The volume down, which was previously volume up, but now since it's flipped, it now is volume down. So this button and this button. So you press and hold them. And that also brings up the power menu from where you can tap on power off and then tap on power off again. You should see the Samsung logo, feel a vibration, and then the phone will go off. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.